and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes, an attorney at the firm, and today we have an essential topic to discuss. What does the law say must be done when a child refuses to visit one of their parents? If you're a parent dealing with this challenging situation, or you simply want to understand the legal aspects of child custody in Texas, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the details, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay informed about family law, child custody, and other important legal topics. Let's begin by acknowledging that the issue of a child refusing to visit one of their parents can be complex and emotionally charged. Child refusal can manifest in various reasons, and it's not uncommon in cases of divorce or separation. From a legal perspective, it's crucial to understand how Texas law addresses this issue and what must be done to ensure the child's best interest. In Texas, like in many other states, the primary focus in child custody matters is the best interest of the child. The court aims to make decisions that promote the child's well-being, safety, and emotional health. The age and wishes of the child are taken into consideration, but they are not the sole determinants. To illustrate this complex issue, let's dive into a real-life scenario involving the Anderson family. Meet Sarah and John Anderson, a divorced couple with joint custody of their 10-year-old son, Ethan. Recently, Ethan had been refusing to visit his father, John, during his scheduled visitation times. Sarah and John are deeply concerned and have different views on how to handle this situation. In Texas, the legal framework for addressing child refusal involves a careful assessment of the child's best interest. If the issue cannot be resolved through communication between the parties and parents, court intervention may be necessary. The court will consider the child's age, maturity, and the reasons behind the refusal. Modifying the custody orders may be required to better align with the child's needs. Parents facing this situation have several legal options to consider. Open and honest communication between parents is the first step. Mediation can be an effective way to address the issue with the help of a neutral third party. In some cases, a court order evaluation by a mental health professional may be necessary. It's essential to remember that the child's voice is important in court, especially as they get older and more mature. An attorney ad litem may be appointed to represent the child's interests in court. A guardian ad litem may also be appointed to investigate the child's situation and make recommendations to the court. In conclusion, the issue of a child refusing to visit one of their parents is a sensitive matter that requires careful consideration of the child's best interests. If you're facing this situation, it's crucial to seek legal counsel and explore the available options to address the issue effectively. Thank you for joining us today for this important discussion. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content related to family law, child custody, and other vital legal topics. Remember, the well-being of the child is the top priority, and addressing child refusal should always be done in their best interests. Stay informed, stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.